This right here is AstroNav, and this is AstroNav Mini. Its only purpose is to test out the custom flight controller I'm developing and its software before I launch the bigger rocket. And this right here is my custom flight controller that flies with the rocket. The flight controller works on a Raspberry Pi core and sends live telemetry over LoRa. The flight controller has a lot of sensors and it is very user friendly. And this is the base station that receives and sends data over LoRa to the flight controller. The base station is meant to be connected to a computer or laptop to see the telemetry live appear. You can also launch your rocket from your laptop, or even check its health, status and even send custom commands. The first launch wasn't too successful of AstroNav Mini. Turns out I balanced the center of pressure and the center of mass wrong, causing the rocket to fly donuts in the sky. Here, I'll show you. Designing a model rocket can be quite difficult. Luckily it's fully 3D printed, so changing parts takes less than a day. So after a quick redesign of the fins, I sent them to the 3D printer and gave them a quick paint job and the rocket was ready to fly again. Here you can see, these are the old fins, the smaller ones, and these are the bigger fins, the new ones. What it does, it pushes the center of pressure of the rocket down below the center of mass to hopefully make the rocket more stable. But before we launch it again, let's talk more about the rocket itself. So if I put my thumb right here, I can slowly pull the nose cone off just like that. Here you can see the flight controller. Right here is the RTC, the real-time clock. Right here you have a little camera that sticks out of the rocket, making some nice footage of us. So now it's finally time to launch it. At the day of the launch we had a lot of spectators, so that was fun. Also the weather was perfect, the sun was setting down and we had a nice blue sky with very low wind speeds. Sadly the main igniter failed, so we're switching to manual ignition. Okay, now we're ready to launch, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Parachute sadly didn't deploy, but the rocket did successfully detach, causing the rocket to fall sideways to the ground and not getting any major damage. Well, it's safe to say that the launch was a success, but this video would have not been possible without the help of EasyEDA and JLCPCB. EasyEDA is a powerful yet easy to learn PCB designing tool for all ages. Building and buying your own PCB is just too easy with EasyEDA, thanks to the large parts database that directly links to JLCPCB. In the library you can find more than 1 million real-time updated components with ready-to-use footprints and symbols. So again, a big thank you. If you are interested in giving EasyEDA a try, and put a link down in the description. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider giving a like and a subscribe, that would also help me. Have a nice day.